Krk is a Croatian island in the northern Adriatic Sea, located near Rijeka in the Bay of Kvarner and part of the Primorje Gorski Kotar county. Krk is the largest Adriatic island with an area of 405 square kilometers. Krk is the most populous island in the Adriatic Sea, with multiple towns and villages that contain a total of 19,383 inhabitants in 2011. Istria is the largest peninsula within the Adriatic Sea. The peninsula is located at the head of the Adriatic between the Gulf of Trieste and the Kvarner Gulf. It is shared by three countries: Croatia, Slovenia, and Italy. By far the largest portion, 89%, lies in Croatia. Croatian Istria is divided into two counties, the larger being Istria County in western Croatia. Important towns in Istria County include Pola, Poreč, Rovinj, Pazin, Labin, Umag, Motovun, Buzet, and Buie. The region has traditionally been ethnically mixed. Under Austrian rule in the 19th century, it included a large population of Italians, Croats, and Slovenes, as well as some Istro-Romanians, Serbs, and Montenegrins. According to the 2011 Croatian census for the Istria County, 68% of the inhabitants were Croats, 6 were Italians, 3 were Serbs, 3 were Bosniaks, 1 were Albanians, and 2 did not state their nationality. Those declaring themselves regionally as Istrians made up 12%. Other nationalities had less than 1% each. Provincia di Pola was a province of the Kingdom of Italy created after World War I that officially existed until 1947. The capital was Pola. It is now part of the Republic of Croatia. The province of Pola was divided in 1938 into 42 municipalities and had an area of around 3,700 square kilometers, with a population of 295,000 inhabitants. It was located in the peninsula of Istria. Porek is a town and municipality on the western coast of the Istrian Peninsula in Istria County, Croatia. Its major landmark is the 6th century Euphrasian Basilica, which was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1997. The town is almost 2,000 years old and is set around a harbor protected from the sea by the small island of Sveti Nikola or Saint Nicholas. Its population of approximately 2,000 inhabitants resides mostly on the outskirts, while the wider Porek area has a population of 70,000 inhabitants. The municipal area covers 142 square kilometers, with the 37 kilometers long shoreline stretching from the Mirna River near Novigrad to Fontana and Vrsar in the south. Ever since the 1970s, the coast of Porek and neighboring Rovinj has been the most visited tourist destination in Croatia. Rovinj is a city in Croatia situated on the North Adriatic Sea with a population of 14,000 inhabitants in 2011. Located on the western coast of the Istrian Peninsula, it is a popular tourist resort and an active fishing port. Istriot, a Romance language once widely spoken in this part of Istria, is still spoken by some of the residents. The town is officially bilingual, Italian and Croatian, hence both town names are official and equal.